Hi students, how are you? This is Venkat. Today I am going to explain real numbers for grade 10. In that real numbers, I want to explain a simple concept, Euclid division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. This is a new word. Lemma is nothing but algorithm. I think you know that meaning of algorithm. Algorithm nothing but steps. This is the computer word. So to do the division as a step by step, so that it is called algorithm. So before going to this division, Euclid division lemma, we have to know about the division algorithm. You know division algorithm? Division algorithm means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So based on this division algorithm, Euclid derived Euclid's division algorithm for the big numbers. So by using the Euclid division lemma, you have to find the HCF. You know HCF, highest common factor. How to find HCF? We have so many methods are there to find HCF, but according to our syllabus we have to find HCF by using division algorithm. So how to find? I'm finding HCF. So small number 17, 6. How to find HCF? So generally we know that HCF to find in long division method. So in this given two numbers, what is the smallest number? 6, and big number is 17. So small number can be considered as divisor and big number is dividend. Always we have to take small number is divisor, big number is dividend. How many 6 are 17? It's not possible, but less than 17 means small number. What is the nearest number, which is 17, which is 17 as dividend, 6 as divisor. What is the nearest number in 6 table to 17? So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. It is more than 17. 6 2s are 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. Now this 5 as dividend, this 5 as divisor, previous divisor as dividend. Now again continue the process. How many 5s are 6? 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Now this remainder again divisor and previous divisor as dividend. How many 1s are 5? 5 1s are 5. So remainder is 0. So how to continue this process till we'll get the remainder should be 0. When you will get remainder is 0, at that time the divisor is the HCF. So HCF is 1. This is the normal process. In this, by using this process, Euclid forms division lemma. So how to find the division lemma? So here HCF of 17, 6 is 1. This is a normal division. Now I'm converting into Euclid division. How to convert Euclid division? So Euclid division is depend on the division algorithm. Division algorithm is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In this first step, what is the dividend? 17. So what is the divisor? 6. What is the quotient? 2. What is the remainder? 5. And second step, in this second step, what is the dividend? 6. Divisor 5. Quotient 1. Remainder 1. And in this third step, what is the dividend? Dividend is 5. What is the divisor? 1. What is the quotient? 5. What is the remainder? 0. So when you will get remainder 0, the process will be completed. Then what is the last divisor? 1. Therefore HCF of 17 comma 6 is 1. So this is the method is called Euclid division algorithm. I'm going to explain another example. So example 2, by Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF of 135 and 225. Find the HCF of 135 and 225. In these two numbers, what is the smallest number? 135 is a small number. So 135 considered as divisor, 225 considered as dividend. So this is not exact method. Okay, for your understanding, I'm taking long division. After that, again converting into Euclid division. So this I have to do in rough column, and this process is doing main sheet. So how many 135 is divisor. 135 ones are 135, 135 twos are 270. So that 135 ones are 135, 0 to 90. So 135. So 90 ones are 90, 92s are 180. So again I'm taking 90 ones are 90. 135 minus 90 is 45. Now 45 as divisor. Previous divisor is dividend. How many times? 2s are. So remainder is 0. Now converting into Euclids. So Euclids. This is the method. So this is the method for your understanding. I am explaining in long division. So we have to do only this method in examination. So here the required numbers are 135 and 225. So in this first step, what is the dividend? 225 is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the remainder in that? 90. And next in this second step, what is the dividend here? 135 is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor is 90 into 1 plus in this second step, what is the remainder? 45. And come to third step, what is the dividend here? 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus remainder here 0. Now it is completed. Now take HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. So this is the method to find Euclid's division, to find HCF by using Euclid division algorithm. So students, I hope everyone is understood. So better to you also try to do some model sample papers, or you also try to do some example from any other books, reference books. Thank you.